Well, we have a few issues, more issues with SAITAMA. These are the gas fees. Check this out, I'll put it right here. People bragging about the low gas fees on SAITAMA. REALTIME launch. And basically, there's a solution for that that we'll go over within the video. But before we start, just slap the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to trade SAITAMA, the best place to do that with the lowest fees is actually MEXC. I have a link for them in the description down below. If you trade futures, you can win a free Tesla. So the solution for SAITAMA gas fees is actually this website, etherscan.io/gas tracker. I have a link for it in the description down below. With SAITA Realty, what you need to know before each transaction is what kind of fees are you getting, because a lot of people would spend a bunch. I think a few Reddit posts that I saw in the morning were taken down or something. I couldn't see them. There were some people that, oh no, here it is. Does anyone know where my gas went? SAITA Realty, right? No one knows. Here it is. Just try buying SAITA Realty. Your gas is gone, isn't it? It is. That's why you want to check the website. I'll have a link for it in the description down below. With the weird situation we're in, you definitely need that. Yeah, if the video helped you out, slap the like button. If you disagree with me, just let me know. Everything you think, feel, your emotional stress, relieve it in the comment section down below. See you next one. Bye.